Serial number 21, Raj Kumari Devi versus Ram Janaki Ji Maharaj. For the petitioner, Sri Chandra Mauli Chaurasia.
Earlier, the notice were issued to the respondent, my lord.
You are for the?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Ah.
My lord, the impugned order is contained in Annex 4, dated 11.
Speak in mic, sir. Use mic.
For quashing of the order dated 11/2/2020, contained in Annex 4 at page 81, whereby and wherein the learned appellate court below has abated the entire appeal of the petitioner, my lord, on erroneous findings without, in contrary to the law,
Without?
in contrary to the law settled in order by Rule 1, 4A, 5 and 10A of the CPC, my lord. Order by, my lord. Impugned order is Annex 81, my lord. Page 81 may kindly be seen. Annex 4.
Appellant has died?
Appellant.
Ah.
Appellant number 3 has died, Ram Narayan Das.
Appellant number 3 has died.
Died, my lord. And thereafter.
So what is the relief sought by the appellants?
Relief for I am the defendant appellant, my lord, in the learned court below.
In this title suit, what was the relief?
Relief for declaration of title and confirmation of possession, along with the permanent injunction restraining the defendants to.
That land stands in the name of third respondent.
My lord, it is in the name of the Thakurwadi, my lord. That is DT, my lord. DT. In the name of Anand Das, who already died, who was the
trust.
My lord.
Land stands in the name of trust or a particular person?
In the name of the Sevaith, late Anand Das, my lord.
In the name of?
Anand Das, Thakurwadi, my lord, who is the respondent number 1, through the DT.
Anand Das. What is the relationship of Anand Das and?
They are the disciple. Respondent number 3
so the proceedings has abated insofar as R3 is concerned.
Because the respondent number 1, DT, is a legal,
locus.
Legal jurisdiction person, my lord.
You know locus.
My lord, what happened in this case? 2 persons came before the honorable the learned trial court below, filed petition under.
Sir, it's all right, but you don't have any locus because respondent number 3.
I am appearing for
it is not his individual property.
I am appearing for
respondent number. Property in the name of the DT, respondent number 1, my lord.
All right, sir. You have filed an order application under Order 1, Rule 10.
I have not filed, my lord.
Who has filed?
The one Sanful Singh has filed the respondent number 2.
Has he been arraigned as a party here?
No.
Why?
He has respondent number.
No, you have to impede him, no? His application is allowed.
My Lord, may kindly one aspect of the matter. What happened in this case? The respondent number 3, Ram Narayan Das, died. Thereafter, two persons claiming themselves to be the disciple of said late Ram Narayan Das came before the learned trial court, appellate court below. They have filed their respective petitions claiming
No,
themselves to be.
are you representing Ram Narayan Das?
I am not. I am the defendant.
Defendant. Then who is appearing for Ram Narayan Das?
Ram
That
Narayan
means
Das.
LRs of the Ram Narayan Das.
Ram Narayan Das.
Other councils have appeared,
Ram
my
Narayan
lord.
Das has died. Thereafter,
Correct.
Thereafter,
Thereafter,
substitution was made.
हाँ,
Thereafter, substitution was made.
substitution was allowed.
चेला राम नारायण दास पहले मर गए थे, महंत आनंद दास. Thereafter, substitution was made. चेला राम
Sir,
नारायण दास
substitution was allowed.
जी allowed.
Allowed.
So, उसके बाद he died. चेला राम नारायण दास died on 18/4/17.
Yes, 18
But
for
no
2017.
application for substitution was filed within the time as provided under Article 120.
Sir, who is representing Anand Das?
राम नारायण दास तो मर गए.
All right, substitution.
Substitution, one petition, no substitution is being filed.
Substitution is allowed or not?
No
You
substitution.
said allowed.
Not earlier महंत आनंद दास बाज पार्टी वो थे, उनका नाम डिलीट हुआ और राम नारायण दास सब्स्टिट्यूट हुए थे. He also died on 18/4/17.
Yes.
His heirs or has not been substituted. No petition has been filed. However, as an Annexure 1, a petition was
Then
filed.
the original suit is required to be decided against respondent number 1 and 2.
Substitution is to be filed, but
Right.
no substitution has been filed.
Then what is his grievance?
Order 1 Rule 10 में application is not been made. Order 1 Rule 10 में application इन्होंने दिया after life.
So who has filed order 1 rule 10 application?
Not applicable.
No, who has filed, sir?
Sir, one Sanful Singh has
Sanful
filed.
Singh has filed. He has agreed against that order. He has not filed any appeal. He has not approached to this honorable court.
Thereafter
sleeping.
one Thiruvan Narayan Das also filed claiming himself to be disciple of the said late Ram Narayan Das.
Sir, the annexure 4, page 81
जी.
is on which application?
Yes.
Against the application filed on behalf of Thiruvan Das as well as on behalf of Sanful Singh.
On behalf of?
Sanful Singh, Annexure 1 and 2. Against that petition, this application has been filed.
No, who is the Tribhuvan Das?
Thiruvan Das has
I am Thiruvan Das.
he has appeared. He is also claiming to be the disciple of late Ram Narayan Das,
No,
and
sir.
one Sanful Singh on whose behalf one Bindesri Singh advocate is appearing.
Have you filed a copy of the suit,
Copy of the?
plaint?
No, I have not filed.
Without that, it is very difficult to identify the
I may be
parties.
permitted to file.
एक मिनट.
I may be permitted.
No,
to file.
मेरा सबमिशन है हुजूर की ऑर्डर 1 रूल 10 में एप्लीकेशन इफ पर्सन इज डाइड लिविंग बिहाइंड सम इयर्स
Sir, the-
सब्स्टिट्यूशन इज रिक्वायर्ड
Serial
ऑर्डर
number,
22
page number 81, order is against what?
Order 81 on the petition under section under order 1 rule 10
Filed by whom?
filed by one Sanful Singh.
On behalf of
Sanful
Tribhuvan
Singh.
Das.
On behalf of
Under-
Sanful Singh.
Order-
He is not-
Therefore, in order to
He is not
identify the
agreed.
parties, you file a
he
plain
has not
copy.
filed- He has not filed a
Sir, it is very difficult to understand unless you point out with reference to the suit what are the rankings.
Well, I may be permitted to file the.
Otherwise, you prepare a chart. You prepare a chart.
Some-
Who is the plaintiff? Who is the defendant? During pendency of the suit, who are all died? Who have all substitution? You give a chart.
एक ही डाइड मर गए कह रहे हैं कि जो राम नारायण दास थे he is-
Have you understood what is the court is asking?
जी.
Please do it.
My lord,
And counsel for the respondent is hereby directed to
Not
furnish.
not the respondent. Appellant.
No, you prepare a chart, sir.
I will prepare.
Preparing chart who whether petitioner or respondent.
Appellant ने है हुजूर हम I am opposing the
हाँ.
order 1 rule 10 को.
That is the reason in order to assist this court, why can't you prepare a chart?
What for chart? Chart is not चूंकि ये petition में दिए हैं कौन respondent थे कौन
Yes, take down.
appellant.
The petitioner counsel is hereby directed to furnish a chart relating to ranking of the respective parties in the original suit, and further, during pendency of the suit, if any party, either plaintiff or defendant, had died, and LRs of such party have been brought on record, and what are their status, all these events were required to be reflected in the chart to be filed by the petitioner counsel in order to ascertain the ranking of the respective parties, so as to ascertain the impugned order is passed in respect of which party and all. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Serial number 22, Sri Sunil Kumar
My
versus
lord, may permit, I may give the, I may place the.
Do whatever you want, sir. I
Plaint
am-
on the record.
Sir, why can't you prepare a chart?
Mine.
It will be easy for you also,
While-
for
while-
him also.
I will prepare.